Kat ba kadang tiakai hayeng ka kemina jongka. Rengkat bat ka jing perkhat bakam kwa shu bandang im hakani ka slaper thei. Namar katip bakan amyo ya ka jubab. Bat kan amyo jingarap ya ki jingkeli babun bakadan. Bat khamtam amdan ki bala basuthu ya ki jing bat ki jingpang jongka. Bat an amdan hiru ki bantip bat suthu ya ki jing jongka. Kumta kala shuyam kum ka khunlung. Ha kapor ka bakum kata kala khabrib ya laki khman. Kala yi ya Jisu ba upet syaka. Bat kala yi ba udan haying mane barim. Bat uyeng hazan ka jing khangyet bajungut. Bat ula ong ya ka ban buat ya u. Hadien kata kala pet ya ki khman. Bat ka suthu ba kadang sudab yi pau. Kala yi ya Jisu. Bat kensan ha kata kapor kalong kumba ukren yaka lengba ka jingeseng ha kaba ka yi ya kibriu bakira ya laki kiti bat pendem ban IT ya ladi ha ublei bat kala yi katno kisuk kikmen kita kibriu bat kane kala penlang yaka ban yam da kita yo bat da ki benai bat dei hang ni kasdang kalenti jongka sa ka jing pendim Jisu. Bat ula ai haka ya kijing posniu, bat kijing itu pau, kenang bakan suthu saphange ladi ba kalong ka bakordor. Kumta wat hapdeng kajing pang mensim, Henry utrai ulasna thmai ya kajing jongka, bat kane kalapen long ya ka bakan sngus kem, bat long slur, bat kane kajing itu pau kalapen kela ya kajing jongka. Bat kalapen long ya ka bakan sakut shu haki jingpang mensim bat ki jingkuslai na mar bo trai ulapen lat no ya ka na kita bat ka suthu ba ublei ukwa ban pen kela bat pen thma ya ka jing jongka bat menta kala suthu bakam lilei wat lada ki wekin krenben ne wat la ki le kumno persha ya ka na mar menta kala suthu bakadei ka khun ublei bat nado kata kapor ki kenjri jong ki jing sngosi kira laj war naka ki jing septing ya ki para briu ki laja no nado kata kapor kala pendukut no ya ki jing adei jongka ha ki kam jadu mentor kum haka ba pha pet ti pha pet kot pha let pet nusim bat kala beret lut ya ki jing deng kum ki kuban bat ki wei na mar menta katip ba Jisu ulong utrai. Bat haba ka kertiang din yala ka jing kala yi ba ublei ula ai ka jing slur ya ka ban septing su ya ki para beriu Henry ula pendap penban ya ka da ka jing bat kalala ban ya ki para beriu. Na kebenta jong pi ki bas ngothu English pila ban sngam hi dalade saphang ka testimony jongka.
And I remember I was in my aunt's bedroom and I had shut all the blinds and I was laying there just thinking about how I wanted to die so bad, knowing that nothing was answering me, no one was hearing my pain, and nobody knew how hard it was. And I just was crying out like I did every day, but this time when I closed my eyes, I saw a vision of Jesus. And he was standing and he was looking at me, and he was in a church, an old wooden church, and he was standing in front of stained glass windows, and he communicated to me, "Follow me." And I opened my eyes, and a few seconds later my mind caught up to me and I realized I just saw something. I just saw Jesus. And immediately it was like God was speaking to me through the worship and through seeing people's hands raised and surrender to God and seeing their happiness. And I was a weeping mess for weeks and months. I remember this was a redemption process, and he was giving me dreams where my identity was completely different. And even though I felt that pain, the Lord had renewed me so much that I was completely confident. And that dream just It was a lifeline for me, so I didn't get stuck in all the pain and anguish, but I realized that God wanted to heal me and restore me. That doesn't matter what anybody does to me, that I'm a child of God, that I'm who He says I am. And since then, it's just been things broken off of my life, like this trauma and the anxiety broken off and the fear of people broken off, and I broke agreement with witchcraft and all of that stuff, and I threw everything away, and I know that Jesus is King. And I know that, and now just looking back, I can see that the Lord never made me to be scared of people, and I love people intensely. I just know that my identity now is not who I was, and I'm meant to be around people. I love people, and I can see His original plan for my life.